Hi everyone. I was just coming in the garden to pick vegetables for dinner, and I saw the birds on the sunflower. That one is the white Italian, I'm pretty sure. And the finches really enjoy the seeds. They have been coming all day. They go in little flocks and chase each other for a long time, picking at seeds. I really like that sunflower. It attracts a lot of wildlife, from bees to hummingbirds, butterflies, and you're probably not going to see it, but there is a hummingbird there waiting for his turn. The finches just chased it away a minute ago. And I'm keeping an eye on the cat, who is out at this time of day, which is very unusual. Usually I keep him inside until nighttime. One of the kids must have let him out. So I will take him back inside with me, because I certainly don't want him to get birds. These finches are not afraid of me because they come to the feeder that I have out front every day, and they know who puts the seeds out. They wait for it. Indy, naughty cat. You know you can't. They are safe up there. There is no way he can get at them. There is a lot of action in the wild garden at this time of year. The seeds are ripening, so these finches have been eating other kinds of seeds like the catnip and the lemon balm. They love the lemon balm seeds. And I think they even eat the blossoms. I actually also wanted to talk about the bright orange flowers you can see next to the sunflower. These are Tithonia, and I believe it's the diversifolia. I'll put the name down in the description box below, but these have been great for attracting butterflies. Swallowtails love them. I saw at least 2 types of swallowtails on them. And I'm still waiting for monarchs to come to the garden. They usually don't show up before August, so I should start seeing them. I think I spotted one earlier today, but it was only for a second, so I'm not sure. But these plants love the heat. I mean, it doesn't matter how hot it gets, as long as you water them fairly regularly, they will keep on blooming until frost. The hummingbirds love the flowers too. They're so pretty. I need to get into that garden to get the stuff for dinner, but I don't want to bother them, so I'm going to go around. Oh, here's the hummingbird. He's going on the butterfly weed, Asclepias. And that one goes extremely tall, and it is from South Africa, I believe. So there are species of Asclepias that are from North America, and I wanted to get this one because they go extremely fast and very tall and provide a lot of food for caterpillars of monarchs. But also, as you can see, a lot of bees and hummingbirds love the flowers. Mm-hmm. You can see that the tree has been cut down. Some plants died, a lot of them were crushed, but survived with a lot of TLC. So some of the plants are not producing or flowering like they should because they got cut down. But a lot of them survived, so we'll see. I'm hopeful that most of them can recover and will eventually give flowers and fruit. Sunflowers are very pretty. I don't know if you can see the weird light. We have a lot of fires in the area. In fact, I mean, all over California, really. It has been a terrible year for fires already. So there is a lot of smoke in the air, which makes the light very odd and orange, and don't know if you can see, but it is very smoky. Although in my backyard it's actually not bad at all. It's funny because if you step out front, it smells very strongly of smoke, but not in the back, even though there is some, of course. But I guess all the trees and vegetation really protects you. Okay, so I should get back to picking things for dinner. I'm making pasta sauce. I have to get over fences because the chickens are out. And I'm going to get eggplant. And I've got a lot of tomatoes to pick. These are looking really good. So part of the pumpkin plant survived, and we've got a couple of pumpkins coming. So I'm very excited. Hopefully they survive until the worst of the heat passes in October. Oh, here is a close-up of the Asclepias. And it makes these spiky balls. Very, very tall. It must be 8 feet by now. Dragonfly. And as you can see, the Tithonia gets really tall too. It's at least 6 feet and it's still going up. Now this one got crushed, so it's not flowering yet, although I think it's supposed to be later anyway, in September. But this one should go to 20 feet, and this one is Tithonia diversifolia, and the flowers will be yellow. And that, I believe, is Kiss Me Over the Garden Gate. Very pretty. The bees seem to like it. The corn, it's the first year ever that I've grown corn so successfully. It's incredibly tall, even though that the gem corn I don't think was supposed to get that tall, but it's definitely filling out, so I'm very, very pleased. On this side, the seedlings did not get crushed by the branches from cutting the tree. So I'm about to get a lot of these orange flowers. I can't remember the name right now, but butterflies and bees like them a lot. The zinnias are doing great, but I had planted a lot more zinnias on this side, and these did get crushed, so I won't have as many zinnias as I wanted, but at least I'll get some. And that is Rosa californica. Which is a wild type of rose. It makes a lot of suckers, so if you plant it, make sure you really, really want it. It's pretty vicious with the spines, but I love it. It's super tough. Well, I can definitely feel the smoke in my throat starting to bother me, so I'm going to keep harvesting. Oh, we have started eating figs too. They are delicious. And here's some laurel for the sauce. And I guess I'll catch up with you later. Bye.